So, 98 Fatboy is having front brake issues. So I am rebuilding my master cylinder, which I have never done, but I've got it off. Got my brake lever out by taking this clip out and this. Now we're going to take top out. And of course I forgot to remove the brake fluid. So we will grab something to pour that in if I don't dump it out first. And never mind, dumped out. So that don't matter. So now, looks pretty good in there. But we gotta get this plunger here out. I can't tell if it has an O-ring or not. Trying to see. I don't see a clip. So that's what we got to rebuild. So let's see. Right there. I don't think you can really see it very well. It's kind of dark in here. I'm in the house. My fingers suck. It's a little chilly outside. So let's see if we can find some pliers. Okay, so apparently that is just a rubber seal that we've got to dig out somehow. Don't know how long that's going to take. Not wanting to come out. Of course not. Not with my luck. Not the easiest thing to get to. But we shall try. Maybe I need a longer screwdriver. Of course I probably don't have. Maybe. Seriously, not wanting to come out. I think I should have probably removed my mirror. Probably should have grabbed some needle nose too from the garage. Of course, luckily mine in the house haven't been stolen. About got it. There we go. I now have it, part of it out. lay these down as it comes out. That way I know which way to put it back in. Now we just got to clean up this. It just needs all cleaned up. We still got some rubber seal in there. It's pretty easy. Once you got that first piece out. So let's finish getting that rubber seal out, which is very possibly why it was leaking. It's not extremely pliable. We don't want to scratch it up or nothing. I'm not much on doing videos, but since everybody has bailed on my other half, I'm trying to help out. This is my box, so I should be capable of fixing it if need be. I get this piece out, but it's really not wanting to come out. Especially trying to do it without running anything. You really don't want to scratch it up or nothing. No way to get to it from the other side. I know I'm doing a horrible job, guys. And girls, y'all can do this too. Might take a little while longer. Oh, this thing does not want to come out. Okay, got the parts cleaner here. Clean this out now. I don't want all that trash in there. That might cause a problem later on. Of course, this stuff don't want to work too well. Probably getting it all over my kitchen. That looks pretty good. What do y'all think? Clean in there? Woo! I really hate it when it black screens on me, because then I think the battery died. That's pretty clean. One little spot right there. I know. Bear with me, guys. I'm learning. I say guys, but I hope those girls watching too. I mean, y'all can do this. That's one of those videos on YouTube about it. Alright. Just sit back over here. Get that out of our way. Alright, over here we go. Of course, we don't really want parts cleaner in our cylinder here, so I'm going to swap that out. Plus it makes sure it's clean. We don't want this sticking. That wouldn't be a good thing to be going down the road and brakes get stuck on, considering this is front brakes. Yeah, I think that should be good enough. A little piece right there. I highly doubt I'm actually keeping this in the camera, but I'm trying. Okay, so got our new pieces here. Make sure they're match up. Claims it's supposed to. Looks like it does. We've got to put our O-rings on it. Apparently this one goes on it this way. Make sure it's seated. And this one goes over here. A little small if you ask me, but I guess that's what it takes. Not sure why it was leaking. It looks pretty good. Looks a little odd. Looks like might have got that one on backwards. Let's set the new one down for a minute. See what this one looks like. Well, I don't want to come off. Might be why it's leaking. Yeah, these are dry rotted. All my O-rings here are dry rotted. I'd say that's my problem. And leaking. It's leaking fluid somewheres. That's a big definite. Guys, when we rot it, it's leaking. Well, as far as I can tell, I got it on right. So, we got this piece. We got our new spring. That is how we had it laid out, ain't it? Yeah. So, need to... don't really want to put this in dry, so let's put some brake fluid on it. And this just all slides down in here. And this little piece goes on top. Make sure we got some lube on it. And this little seal well, y'all can't see what I'm doing. It slides down over this. And it said, I don't think I have bracelet here. This is just retained by pressure. So we're going to have to stop for a second. So I can go get a socket that will fit on there. Okay, so I got me a socket. See if I can get over here where y'all can see me. Make sure it fits good. And all you're supposed to do is push this down into place. Not sure I'm going to be able to accomplish this. It's just a retainer. Well, that didn't retain. And I got it dirty. Leave it to me. Problem is, there we go. No, I almost had it. No, still ain't pushing down far enough. Maybe a smaller socket. Get it. Oh, come right back out. This is a plastic one too, so let's try again. I'm not having a whole lot of luck. Getting this to seat. I'm really not sure about tapping it in. Gotta go down so far so that it fits in and seats. Really not having a whole lot of luck with that. It might be because the plunger ain't going down when I push. all else fails, try tapping it. That didn't work neither. This is supposed to just be a restrict. Forget what they call it. It just slides in and retains itself, but it's getting it actually in there. I mean, I saw how much trouble I had getting the other one out, so. Well, that just retained into my socket. Huh. So I totally forgot to turn the camera back on, but I did finally get this little bastard in there. And it seems to be holding. I can push it, it's not popping back out.